they'll tell you. All right, here we go. We're gonna open our Epicure kit for the first time ever, and today I have helpers here to do it, so that's always fun. So someone's gonna have to see how this box even opens. I know. Like it's not that way. Oh, here.
It's at the bottom.
It's gonna take us 2 knives. But that's because it's so big.
It's like a puzzle.
There we go. Ooh. How fun is that? Wow. Holy. All right. I feel like I could fit in this box. Okay, so this looks like a folder, like a welcoming thing. What else do we got here? Whoa, an apron. You want to open that? And some catalogs. If you guys want to take it off and look at them, you're more than welcome. Some brochures. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, so I've heard this is amazing.
It is.
Chocolate pudding. You've had it? Mm-hmm. I've heard this is amazing. So today, if you guys want to, we can make it with almond milk and like see if it works. So it's dairy, you know, you can do it dairy free. So we'll keep that out. Okay, I've been hearing a ton about this. It's a multi-purpose steamer that you put in the microwave and cook chicken in like 6 minutes. And so, craziness. All right, lots of more stuff. Ooh, mac and cheese. Do I have any mac and cheese people here? Anybody like mac and cheese? All right, you can take one home.
Take one?
Yes.
It's
Annie.
It's like silicone.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. It's got a rack inside of it too.
That's cool.
Yeah. I've got some research.
Some dip mixes. Here's some tongs. You guys want to open this up?
I'll check this out.
Anybody had this? Summer berry. I saw a recipe where you could like mix that with Cool Whip and put it on watermelon and make like watermelon pizza.
Yeah.
That looks fun. Here's a dressing bottle. Holy cow, you guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. I don't even know what this is.
Let's
It's
see
like
the
a diary. It is. It's like a food diary. You can build a grocery list and your meal plan.
wait.
Here's
What is
some
the inside?
What's the inside
Yeah.
look like? It's all kinds of
Wow,
different things.
it's like a meal planner.
Yes. Order forms. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I've heard about this. This is like, how many weeks is this? Lunch, dinner, breakfast, and desserts. Healthy meals, healthy plans for like 100 recipes.
Wow.
So, you can pass that around.
It's got nice organizational tips in it.
Exercise.
Measuring cup. Okay, guacamole.
Oh,
You remember my guacamole? Yeah. Okay, lemon jelly. This is good. Let's see. Okay, this is a 4-in-1 spice spoon.
I like the color.
Oh, this is cool. So this is a 2-in-1 citrus press. So you can do a lime or a lemon in there. Okay, here's the knife. You want to be responsible for that? That makes me nervous.
Sorry.
It's sealed. And then here's the protein shake.
How much you're supposed to have?
Okay. So I think all the stuff you can buy too if you want to. Prep bowls, little prep bowls. Some more catalogs. Little scoop. Okay. I won't touch it to find out. No. Okay, here is a Mexican kit. And And this is like 40 or 45 servings for meals. So nacho cheese, fajita, guacamole, salsa. And then it came with recipe cards that I haven't looked at. It doesn't have like fajitas. Yeah, no fillers. It's all very clean. They have like a never list. I don't know if they have it listed on here. No. But they have a never list, and it's a list of everything they won't include in their food, which is kind of nice to see.
Never ever.
Yeah, never ever.
Here it is. It's in the catalog.
Oh, there you go. It's in the catalog.
I can't
It's a nice one.
This is a non-slip cutting board.
That's always a good thing to have.
And then some cutting mats. Those are kind of fun. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this kit was $150, just so you know. Everybody knows. $150 for this kit. And somebody said it's close to $500 worth of stuff. This is Italian. So there's Alfredo, a balsamic vinegar, and a marinara in here. And again, I think each of these are recipe cards. It's like
That Alfredo.
oh, is that Alfredo's good?
The best.
Awesome.
Better than my homemade.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, and then this is a Greek box with all kinds of spices in it and recipes. Awesome. You guys want to see that? Pass that this way. And more catalogs. And then some sort of little funnel.
Ooh. I don't even know what that is.
Okay, I think it's all out. But isn't it pretty in the box? It is. Awesome. Ella, thanks for filming.
Yeah.